own liking to certain spheres, किसी को plantation से बहुत attachment है, कोई environment cause से बहुत जोर से बहुत strongly associated है. तो क्योंकि we have such a wonderful cohort of women who are into different spheres of life, तो हर sphere जैसे कहते हैं ना strengthen हो जाता है. अगर मुझे environment cause का शौक है तो मुझे right है कि मैं आके अपने cause को present करूं, और हमारे founders उसको support करते हैं और हम उस एरिया में भी वर्क करते हैं. अगर आप किसी एजुकेटिव इंस्टीट्यूट से एसोसिएटेड हैं, यू कैन ऑलवेज ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड कि आपका ये एरिया है कि यू टॉक अबाउट एजुकेशन, या आप किसी उससे जुड़े हुए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से, एंड वी ऑल्सो वांट टू वर्क इन दैट एरिया. So that is how Devditi has been. I think our speaker is all set now. So let's hear about today's speciality and we can continue later. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Namaskar, everyone, co-founder of Devditi Foundation, and Bharti does a wonderful job not only in filling the gaps but giving you all important information about Devditi. तो मैं Devditi के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी, भारती बहुत कुछ बता चुकी है. मैं आपको स्पीकर को इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ. और श्रुति दत्त is an author, transformation coach, speaker and soft skills trainer, and a master storyteller. She is masters in education and masters in mass form. फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कक्षा रह चुकी हैं. 2006 में इन्होंने एनजीओ बनाया था. और ये शी इज अ वेरी ऑन दिल्ली वाली नानी. ये बड़ा डिफरेंट सा नेम है क्योंकि ये किस्से कहानियां बताती हैं बच्चों के बारे में, जो एक दिल्ली वाली नानी का इथॉस होता है ना, इसे सिग्निफाई करती है. तो इन्होंने अभी हाल ही में अपनी बुक लॉन्च करी है, and she nurtures children to become dancing champions of life on her Facebook group for children. और इनका मिशन है to motivate women and youth to manifest their best potential. And today she is here with us to discuss the importance of a fulfilled and happy life. And इस सेशन में वो चाहती हैं कि इंटरैक्टिव हो, हम सब शामिल हो. तो आई इनवाइट श्रुति, द एमिनेंट श्रुति, टू I welcome her. Welcome, Shruti.
Thank you so much, Sapna. And I'm really feeling privileged and happy to be among such lovely women, such women of power and wanting empowerment and change in their lives and helping others to change, which is the most important thing. So I'm really, really very proud of all of you and of Devditi. It's really a good fortune to have a platform like this for everybody. So I don't know how many people have joined up. Do we have enough to start? Okay.
Sure.
So for those who are like, who have just joined in, I would like you to just get a little bit prepared because this session is going to be interactive, and I would want you to have a pen and paper with you so that if we can do some small exercises and share them with each other, it would be fun. And also be ready to give me some, remarks on the chat when I'm talking, and also, if you have any question answers, you can put them there. And I would like to also have you share some of your experiences in between so that we can, make it really interactive and good. So I can, 1 minute. इसमें आपकी photo आ रही है.
Doesn't matter, Shruti. Please carry on.
Okay.
We can hear you. Huh?
All right. So, most important thing in life, what is the most important thing for each one of us? So can I have an answer to that? Like, what in our lives is most important for each one? What do you think? What is most important to you? So
happiness लिख चुके हैं.
Yes, happiness is the most important thing. Lovely. Family, yes, but family. As women, we all are women here. And that's a common factor of all of us right here. So we, as women, family naturally comes, right? It becomes the first priority. And family happiness also becomes a very big priority for us. So what happens generally, but I've seen that we get so carried away in making the rest of the family so happy that many women end up depressed themselves. Am I right on that? Yeah, if you're with me, just give me a yes. So the whole thing is that if we ourselves are not happy,
Yes.
how are we going to spread that happiness in our family or in our environment and with everybody else? So this session, I'm wanting to like really get deep into how we can, of course, I know most of you are very sorted and very happy and you're already doing, contribution work. So, but I'm sure there'll be some members who would be able to gain out of it. And when you put it on YouTube, which you are doing, so it should become a kind of session which really gives value to whoever hears it. So to begin this journey of being happy all the time, that's what our aim should be. That, as because we know we are living in Kali Yuga, we are living in COVID time. We have enough of things that create chaos in our lives. We have enough of things that make us crazy all the time. But despite all that, we are all here at 4 p.m. today with smiles on our faces and actually creating joy for each other and trying to spread that joy in the world. Isn't that great? So to start the journey of happiness inside, we have to really, I think, understand our own selves first.
श्रुति, आपकी आवाज चली गई है। श्रुति, आपकी आवाज चली गई है। हाँ,
Okay,
हो गई,
so
हो
what
गया।
I'm
हाँ,
saying
हाँ,
is, like,
बोलिए।
we may be, I'm not saying that we are very depressed or unhappy right now, but wherever we are, how do we get to a better stage where we can be even more happier and create more joy and create more happiness? So to do that, let's take a very close look at our lives. So, and this little exercise I would like you to do, if your pens and papers are ready, you can write a PP on the chat box for me so that I know that your pen and paper is ready. And I would like you to create 3 columns in the chart or paper, whatever you have in front of you. So in one column, you can put the things you are really, really glad about, because I think life has to be based on gratitude, right? We've done Reiki sessions also. Reiki talks about attitude of gratitude all the time. So people, we all really need to live with gratitude. So for gratitude, what are the things we're really glad about? So you can probably list about 5 things while we are here. And then we can write a few things about what make you really sad. So we must look at things which are making us sad. Like it could be anything in your life. Like in my life, it's the loss of my parents. When I think about them, I do feel sad at times. Or it could be, any problem which your friends are facing or anything like that. So we should just note them down. What happens when we write down things? Things become very clear, and they kind of, you can actually attack them in the right way and bring out the best. So that's why I'm asking you to write. So glad and sad, and then the favorite is mad, because women do get mad, don't we? We do get crazy at times. We do get, really mad at things, especially when we feel that things are not doing right, or, especially when our children or somebody is not behaving in the way we want them to, or, if we are very righteous, there are things which we don't just accept. So they really make us mad at times, and they, they're sometimes so toxic that we think so much about it, and we get so angry that we stop being productive ourselves, you know so we are carried away by that. So we should note that also down, that what are the things that make us mad, that kind of make us less productive. हमें इतना इफेक्ट कर देती हैं वो चीजें कि हम अपने आप को भूल के कि हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, हम उसी में खो जाते हैं कि ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So all that, if you have noted it down, we can then proceed from there. Has everybody noted that down? Have you all noted it down? Give me a yes if you have. I can't see participation here.
Yes.
Yes, you have. That's great. So once we have done that, so are you feeling a little more clear right now what your stage in life is after doing this exercise? That what are the things you really need to change? What are the things which you need to ignore? And so when we look at these lists, let me begin with the last list first. The things that make us mad. So to handle the things which make us mad, it is generally toxic situations or toxic people in your life that drive you crazy at times. So the best way to do that is to really partly actually ignore it if you can. If it is not directly affecting you, if it is something you can block out of your life, you should just immediately block it out of your life, I feel. And in case it is something, you know, within your family or within some people very close to you, then we have to raise our own life condition, that we are able to you know, look at it in a different perspective and handle ourselves in a way, and that we become more giving and more loving, and we can handle the situation properly, कि हम अपने आप को इतना mentally strong कर लें कि वो हमें affect ना करे चीज बिल्कुल भी. तो ये दो चीजें हम कर सकते हैं टू मेक. जैसे एक बड़ा अच्छा कल स्टोरी मैंने फेसबुक पे भी शेयर करी थी कि अगर वो हम नींबू पानी बना रहे हैं, तो हमने उसमें अगर ज्यादा नींबू डाल दिया तो इतनी खटास हो जाती है कि हमसे पिया नहीं जाता. तो अब उसको ठीक करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? हम नींबू तो नहीं निकाल सकते ना पानी में से, पर हम पानी इतना ज्यादा डाल सकते हैं कि हम एक के बदले 5-6 गिलास नींबू पानी के तैयार कर सकते हैं, जो हम आराम से पी सकते हैं. तो उस सिचुएशन में ये कर सकते हैं हम कि हम उस पे नेगेटिव चीजों पे और टॉक्सिक चीजों पे फोकस करें बगैर, हम कुछ ऐसी चीजें एक्शंस लें जो बहुत ही मतलब पीस क्रिएट करें या प्यार क्रिएट करें या चीजों को जोड़ने की कोशिश करें. वो एक्शंस हम अपने बढ़ाते हैं, यू नो. तो देन थिंग्स विल काइंड ऑफ come in control and they'll become better for everybody. So that's one way of doing it. Are you with me on this? Give me a yes if all of you are with me on this. Yeah?
Yes,
Can I have
yes.
a yes? All right, thank you so much. So the other thing is, you know, when we are very sad. So why are we sad? Because like in my case, instead of, because we are focusing on what is not there. You know, generally we are sad because we keep focusing on what we don't have, what is not there. Like in my case, my parents are not there. So now instead of focusing on the fact that they're not there, it's important for me to focus on them, that, you know, they were there in my life. I should be grateful that I had such a great time with them. They taught me so many lovely things which I can share with others today. So and when we change our perspective, you know, that sadness will definitely reduce. And it is very important to control and reduce our sadness and our mood, because unless we do that, how are we going to be happy and spread joy, right? So we should not neglect that. We should understand it and try to overcome it. हमें उसको भी overcome करके रखना है. हम सारा दिन सारा इधर उधर मुंह लटका के नहीं घूम सकते कि अरे मेरी तो मम्मी नहीं है, अरे मेरे पास तो ये नहीं है, मेरे पास तो वो नहीं है. हमारे पास क्या है, हमें उस पे फोकस करना है. It's like the half glass which is full or the half glass which is empty. Are we going to look at the glass as a half full glass, or are we going to look at it कि आधा खाली है, आधा भरा है कि आधा खाली है? हमें अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करके जो भरा है उस पे देखना है और उससे खुशी लेनी है. Then we come back, of course, glad. We are always glad about so many things. Now, what is important in life is to really increase the things we are glad about. So what all are we glad about in life? Can we increase that? So in that, you know, there's a little thing which when I was training to become a life coach, which our mentor told us was a buzz moment for ourselves, which we love to create. So what is your buzz moment? So buzz moment is a moment or the kind of work which you do in which you just forget time. You know, आप भूल ही जाते हो अपने आप को. आपको इतना पसंद है वो काम करना. हो सकता है वो गाना गाना हो सकता है वो गाना सुनना हो सकता है वो कोई पेंटिंग करना हो. Just in my case, it's art. When I paint, I forget. It may be gardening. It may be you know, anything. So if you can, some of you can share what you really like doing. Oh wow! So Nishu has shared that she loves singing. I would really appreciate if you could share what your buzz moments are with me. So yes, singing is a great buzz moment. And when I thought about it from last 1 year, telling stories has become my buzz moment. I love telling stories to children, and I'm doing it on the YouTube now for them. So that makes my day great. You know, every day, whenever I record a story, it's a day for me. So yeah, meeting friends can be a great buzz moment. Even, you know, going, अब हम जा नहीं पा रहे ना कोविड में, ना मूवी देखने जा पा रहे, ना रेस्टोरेंट जा पा रहे, चलो Zoom meeting is also buzz moment, isn't it? How do you feel about this? Is this meeting a buzz moment for you today? Give me a yes if it is.
Yes, for
Yeah?
sure, Shruti, for sure.
Yes, yes.
Yes, of
It's always
course.
good to be with friends discussing life and the joys of life. So let us all focus on making our day a very happy day. Include everything that makes you happy. Consciously you should include that. Not कि हाँ आज कर लिया चलो नहीं किया छोड़ दिया नहीं. Every day थोड़ा सा टाइम जरूर दीजिए उन चीजों को जो आपको बहुत खुशी देती हैं, बिकॉज वो चीज जब आपको खुशी देंगी, जब आप खुश होगे तो क्या होगा, आप सबको खुशी दोगे. तो आपका मकसद तो यही है ना कि आप खुश रहो और सबको खुशी दो. That is the crux of the heart of every lady. Every woman wants to be like that she should have that ability and capability to create joy wherever she goes. Don't you think so? Yeah, give me a yes if you think so. Come on, can I see some messages from all of you? Bharti, yes. Inner satisfaction, yes. So now when we've understood this whole thing about, being happy and how we can create joy, अब बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हम अपनी लाइफ से फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं सब कुछ होते हुए भी ना थोड़ा सा डिप्रेस्ड रहते हैं. ये होता है. It's a done thing. So if you allow me, give me permission, can I share something about my own self with you?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you
please.
so much.
Yeah.
So, like all of us, I'll tell you a recent story. पहले की बातें तो बहुत लंबी हो जाएंगी. Last year, it was a Saturday evening, and it was, I think, May 19th, if I remember right, May 19th or 20th. So I was in one of those state of minds where I was feeling very low and depressed. अब क्यों, कोई ऐसा तो कोई रीजन नहीं है, सब कुछ है, बच्चों की शादियां हो गई हैं, सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा है. I could have just relaxed or just gone out and had a coffee and just been okay about things, but there was something inside me which was very disturbed, and I was not understanding what is it, why am I feeling low, why am I not happy, because normally I'm a very happy go lucky person, despite of course प्रॉब्लम्स तो हर एक की लाइफ में कई किस्म की आती हैं नहीं आती हैं, बट ओवर एंड ऑल आई हार्डली एवर फॉल इनटू दैट फेज व्हिच वाज वेरी न्यू टू मी, because even through my illnesses, which I really suffered a lot with chikungunya, but I was always in a high life. पर मैं बहुत low feel कर रही थी उस दिन. तो I was very fortunate कि मैं उस दिन एक transformation meeting मैंने attend कर ली आरफीन खान की, and there I got this thing that yes, this is what it is. I am feeling sad because I don't have anything to do. I'm not contributing. So contribution has always been in my heart, I've always been doing those things. But मुझे अब ये लगने लगा था कि अब तो मैं बुढ़ी हो गई हूँ, अब बच्चों की शादियां हो गई हैं, नानी बन गई हूँ, अब मैंने क्या कर लेनी है कंट्रीब्यूशन, अब गर्मी में जाया नहीं जाता फील्ड वर्क करने अंडर प्रिविलेज के पास, अब मुझे एकेडमी भी नहीं चलानी है, मुझे ये सूट वूट भी नहीं बनाने, मुझे शॉपिंग भी नहीं करने जाना, मुझे किसी को मिलना भी नहीं है, एवरीथिंग. आई हैड अ ह्यूज लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स कि मुझे ये नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना. तो कोई ऐसी चीज मिल ही नहीं रही थी कि भाई करना क्या है जिंदगी में. फिर अब जब करना ही कुछ नहीं है तो क्या रिजल्ट आएगा? Obviously you will be depressed and sick. So that was my state of mind. But then when I did these heard these things and did a few of these exercises to understand my own self, I realized that I needed to be what I am. I needed to contribute, and I needed to create that joy with others so that I live a happy life. So hota kya hai, every cause has its effect. So when your mind is to create joy for others, you will always be happy. Don't you think so? Give me a yes. Come on. So that has been my journey so far. And in the last 1 year, I have, with all my heart, written a book for people to really be able to change their story and become happy. And I have also started a YouTube channel for children with which I'm really connecting to a lot of children all over the country, and they're sharing their dances. They send me messages. It's so wonderful. I never thought it would be like that. But my heart was just to give them joy. And the kind of joy I'm getting back is just so amazing. I'll just share a little bit which happened recently. One boy made his mother call me up, and he made his mother play the guitar, and he sang the song for me, which is called Khab Ho Tum Ya Koi Hakikat.
Aw.
Because I have wings in my stories, and I'm flying to countries and telling them stories. So I suppose he thought like it's like a khab for him. So I was so touched and so joyful after that. So at this point, I've shared my bit of story. Now I would really want some of you to share, your stories with me of how you have created happiness in your life and joy, and how you've transformed certain things. So can I have somebody here who can share something? Yeah, you can write in the
Okay, we
okay,
have a
Indu
hand
Arora, I
raised.
think.
We have
Indu
somebody
has,
who's hand raised. Indu, please go ahead.
yes.
Yeah, hi, Shruti. It was very nice to hear you talk about the transformations and how to handle things that you are not happy about, and how to increase what is you're happy about. Because they took me back to my childhood when my father used to say that जो चीज नहीं है उसके लिए क्या रोना, जो है उसको और बढ़ाओ.
Bilkul.
So it was very nice. And yes, about sharing and contribution, I really feel that this is what we really want. We all are actually born to be interdependent and interconnective and all inclusive. We are all happy doing that. And definitely when we contribute to the society, to the world, it does give you a good feeling. And Indian religion really does promote that so much. Yeah. So I belong to this organization also, which is Peace Culture and Education. So we've been praying, like we've been chanting every morning from 7 to 8 for the world to go through, like especially this time you mentioned about the COVID times and the Kali Yuga and everything.
Indu, I request you to be a little more precise because many questions
Yeah.
are coming in. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you so
okay,
much.
to cut
Thank
it,
you.
yeah, no. So it was about going through a transformation inside. Like for us, we were waking up in the morning to pray for the world to transform, and this the earliest possible end to the pandemic. And I'm not a morning person. I just can't jump out of bed and get going and all. But I to make this contribution to the world, I have been waking up early, and I have been waking up. For me, 6 o'clock is very early,
That's
and I have
wonderful.
been waking up at
Thank you,
first.
Shruti. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, Indu.
yeah,
Thank you,
okay,
Indu.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
So
very
yeah,
much.
what Indu is basically trying to say is that because of the feeling and the mission in the mind for contributing, she has transformed into a person who can get up early to do that.
Mm.
So yes, so
Mm.
we must all find a cause in our lives. It's very important to connect to a bigger mission in life, with just rather than just your own family and yourself. It's always like the Devati is a very big vision. It's a very big platform. So that's why you have these charming people all the time smiling, all the time going, out to change the world. Like it's like, it's not, they don't feel that, okay, I'm the only one. How will I do it? But they are determined. मैं अकेली हूँ, कैसी भी हूँ. I know Sapna has done such a great job with the sari challenge. I'm always in the sari when I come in front of her.
Shruti, you know what? We both go a long way because our mentor has been the same, and you and I met in the same journey of trying to transform. And you and I both know
Yes.
कि अगर खुद में transformation होती है तभी बाहर होती है, नहीं तो नहीं होती, है ना?
Absolutely. So yes, anyone else would like to share their transformation? Is there anyone else? Or we
Yes,
can move
Shruti,
on? Okay, so
I share.
no, I think let me just move on a little bit, then I'll call you in.
Yeah, please.
So, okay, so now we've talked about transformation as such. So what we can now talk about goals a bit. I have been going to colleges helping students set goals. अच्छा थोड़े 2 साल पहले तो जब मैं थी ना, मुझे भी कोई गोल समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि गोल क्या बनाऊं जिंदगी में. And when I went and met these students, which I even talk to people sometimes, आपने न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस बनाई, आपने गोल्स बनाए, कहते गोल वोल हम नहीं बनाते क्योंकि गोल गोल हो जाते हैं, you know, एक दिन रहते हैं and next day they are gone. So I would like to discuss this, that how do we, you know, create those kind of goals which we can really achieve. Yeah, because ultimately we will be able to you know, reap what we sow, and whatever we sow in our minds, the goals we make in our minds, वही तो हम आगे जाके उनको मैनिफेस्ट कर पाएंगे ना. अगर हमारे कोई गोल्स ही नहीं होंगे, हमारे कोई बीज ही नहीं डले होंगे, तो पेड़ कहाँ से उगेंगे? ठीक है ना. तो गोल्स बनाना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में, टू लिव अ हैप्पी एंड फुलफिल्ड लाइफ. सो नाउ दैट वी नो कि हमारा लाइफ की सिचुएशन क्या है, ग्लैड सैड मैड हम किस चीज के लिए हैं, so I think it will become easier for each one of us to write down certain goals which we can do for the next 1 year. I won't go for 5 years. 5 years is too long a time, especially during COVID. So, एक साल के लिए हम अपनी books में we can write down what our goals should be for, say, August 2021. So if you can think for a minute, because let it be a little, you know, do the exercise, let it be interactive, because it will help you also later on to reflect on it. So think what you should be, what your goal should be for 2021. And you can, you know, write it down in a affirmative. Like if you want that, for my case, I want to be 10 kgs less. So 2021, I am, say, 62 kgs of weight, or I have achieved this. Okay, my channel has reached out to over 100,000 children by 2021, or whatever. You know, whatever your personal, I don't know what your personal things are, but please write them down that you have already achieved them. उस वे से आप लिखिए अपने goals. फिर हम देखते हैं कि I'll give you 1 minute to write it down. If you're done, just say done. Are we done? Have we written the goals?
Actually, there are some goals
Right.
in the chat.
Yeah. Are there any goals coming in the chat?
Yeah, there are.
You can write in your personal, these are your personal goals. You need not share them if you don't want to. If you want to, it's very nice. I would love to see them also. You can write, okay, done.
Yeah, they're done.
So, yeah. So now that you have your 2021 goals ready, now how many of you feel, आग बंद करके सोचो कि जो अभी गोल्स लिखे हैं 2021 में, वो 100% होने वाले हैं 2021 में कि नहीं? क्या लग रहा है? अगस्त 2021 में हो जाओगे 10 किलो कम कि नहीं होगे? या जो भी, मतलब वो तो मेरा गोल है, बाकी जिसका है लग रहा है हो जाएगा. अच्छा नहीं, अच्छा इस आशिफा को तो लग रहा हो जाएगा, बाकी कोई अभी जवाब नहीं दे रहा. There are 56 people here. I think please do chat. It will be nice to see your answers. तो अगर जिनको तो लग रहा है हो जाएगा, they are very sorted. It's very good. And I would like to hear from you ki how they are going to plan to achieve what they're doing. But those who are not feeling, which includes me also, I'm not 100% sure कि होगा कि नहीं होगा. मैंने goals तो बड़े अच्छे बना लिए हैं, but I have a system that I'm going to be working on, and I'm 99% confident कि हो जाएगा. So how do we look at our goals? You know, are we going to make them in a very smart way, or are we going to just make a goal and then just let it be? So when we make smart goals, what are smart goals? Anybody knows what are smart goals? We have some trainers here. I think they all know it. But for those who don't know, goals should be very, very specific. That's the very first thing. A goal should not be हवा में कि मैंने पतले होना है. It should be कि मुझे इतने किलो कम करने हैं. Exact amount. Measurable होना चाहिए. Next is measurable. Smart, specific, then measurable. Then it should also be attainable. अब मैं अपने आप को बोल दूं 20 किलो कम करना है, it may not be attainable. So I'll stick to 10 in 1 year. So 10 sounds attainable to my mind and otherwise also. So attainable. Then R stands for relevant. Is it relevant? Is it relatable? Yes, weight loss is very, very relevant for me, because otherwise my knees will give up. I will not be able to be as active as I want to be, and I want to be healthier. So it's very, very relevant to my mind and to my life situation. Then what is the last one? That is time bound. So am I giving it a time? It's going to be August 2021 is the final date. ये होना है तब तक. तो एक टाइम आपको देना पड़ेगा अपने गोल के लिए. ये नहीं कि हाँ ये होएगा होएगा नहीं होएगा कब होएगा पता नहीं 4 साल 5 साल 6 साल. We can't do that. We have to make it time bound. So when our goal is very time bound, it becomes very clear and easier. Now once it is time bound, what do? We have the time span, we have our goals, but what happens is that हम महीना भर तो कर लेते हैं फिर हम भूल जाते हैं. So we need to break it up also. Break it up and have, uh, this places where we have achieved parts of it, like say 1 kg every month. So you to check yourself every month. 1 kilo हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, 1.5 kilo हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. I'm just going by the weight because it's an easy example for you to understand. It can be anything. It could be writing a book. आपने 10 चैप्टर लिखने हैं 10 महीने में, आपने हर महीने एक चैप्टर लिखा कि नहीं लिखा, or whatever your other issues are. तो उसको you have to break it up, and every break after you achieve something you must celebrate it also, so that you keep staying charged up to achieve a little more. अब goals में ना जो मुझे समझ में आई है बात अपनी लाइफ से, सपना गायब हो गया है. सपना गायब हो गई, कौन गायब हुआ था?
सपना यही है.
आपको देखे बिना नहीं बोला जा रहा.
नहीं यही हूँ.
तो मैं ये कह रही थी कि अगर जो गोल्स हमने बनाए हैं, एक चीज हमें और सोचनी चाहिए, क्योंकि माइंड से गोल्स होंगे पूरे. हमारा माइंड सेट ठीक होना चाहिए गोल्स के लिए. हमारा माइंड टोटली फोकस्ड होना चाहिए. अब फोकस कैसे करेंगे हम गोल के ऊपर, क्योंकि होता यह है कि मैंने बना लिया 10 किलो का गोल, 2-1 महीने बाद मैं सोचूंगी यार छोड़ो, क्या है, अब उम्र हो गई है, क्या जरूरत है. सारे लोग बोलेंगे तुम ठीक तो लग रही हो, क्या तुम्हें वेट करना है कम. मैं भी मान जाऊंगी हाँ कोई जरूरत नहीं है यार, बड़ी मैं कौन कम खाए, लेट मी हैव अ चॉकलेट, लेट मी एंजॉय लाइफ, लेट मी not exercise today, whatever. So that thing goes away, then your goal goes into a big goal. So we must connect our emotions to the goal, and we should also think about it कि अगर what does this goal mean to me, अगर ये goal मुझे नहीं achieve हुआ तो मेरे लिए क्या problems आ सकती हैं. Those should be very clear कि अगर मैं ये नहीं करती तो क्या होगा, और अगर ये मैं कर लेती हूँ तो फिर मेरी लाइफ में क्या बेटर होगा. तो ये चीजें भी आप नोट करो अपने गोल के साथ. When you are making your goals, make 2 more columns. What will happen if I achieve this goal, and what will happen if I don't achieve this goal. I think this is the crux of attaining your goal, which I have realized, which I never used to do. But ever since I started doing this, it's made a big difference. So what is the thing that will happen if you've achieved it, and what will happen if you don't achieve it? So then it makes it very, very important for yourself to achieve that goal. So when you do this exercise, you will have a very basic, kind of blueprint. It's going to be a success blueprint for your goals. Are you with me on that? Are you liking the session? Are you liking these ideas? Yes, give me a yes if you're with me on that, please. Can I see
Yes,
some?
of course. Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you so much. So now that we are very, thinking about our goals, let me do a meditation with all of you. Let's have a little bit of relaxed time, because I feel daily meditation is also a very important part of being able to do what you really want to do in life. So of course I think we are all above 40 years, so everybody has their own way of praying or meditating. And in India we are all very evolved, तो बहुत सी चीजें हम लोगों को आती हैं, हम करते भी हैं, but वो मैं अभी नहीं करती. I just would like to put on some music, and I would like to just be with me when I do the talking, and just imagine a few things with me, and let's do that. Are we ready for that? Give me a BIO, bring it on. So I'll have the music on. Can I see some chat? Are we ready for the meditation and the music? Can you play the music? So what we are going to do with the music is we are going to close our eyes, we are going to relax, and we are going to go ahead in life. So instead of, like I just said, no, we have made our goals for 2021 के goals तो हमारे बन गए हैं ना, सबके बन गए हैं ना? Give me a yes, सबके बन गए हैं तो? Okay, तो अब बन गए हैं तो अब हम उनको visualize करेंगे, हम आंखें बंद करके और हम 2021 में पहुंच जाएंगे. Let's use our imagination. We are great at imagining. No, we are all women. हम तो बहुत कुछ imagine कर लेते हैं. तो हम ये imagine करते हैं कि 2021 में हम पहुंच गए हैं और हम एक दूसरे को फिर से Zoom call कर रहे हैं और हम मिल रहे हैं और हम एक दूसरे को बता रहे हैं कि हमने क्या क्या अचीव कर लिया इस एक साल में और कैसे हम we are reporting to each other that yes, we made these goals together on this Zoom call, and this Zoom call we are going to really share that we have achieved all that, and let's do it next year, with the Devdatti only. It would be great. So abhi main music chalati hu aur 2-3 minutes just do normal breathing, focus on your breathing, focus on your mind, use your imagination. So let's do that for 2 minutes. Just play the music. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, did you enjoy that? Give me a yes if you enjoyed that.
Yes, really.
Thank you so much. I mean, I could have gone on, but for paucity of time, I've stopped it because this is a beautiful exercise to do, and we can just get lost. It's like a buzz moment. So now I would like to bring on, is there anybody who is above the age of 65 here? Do we have somebody who's more than 65?
Seema ji is raising a hand. So over to you, Seema ji. Apne aap ko unmute kar lijiye.
There are two of them. Yes. So I would, I think old is always gold. And women who have crossed that stage have so much wisdom, and I would really like them to share. So can we begin with Vijayanti?
Okay. Vijayanti, आप अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. Vijayanti, yeah, please unmute yourself. Yeah, please go ahead.
Namaste to everyone from Kolkata.
Wow.
I'm Vijayanti Bose. I'm 70 years old.
Sorry. Sorry, we couldn't hear you. 1 second. I was trying to make your speaker screen, and unfortunately, can you please unmute yourself again? Sorry about that, Baijanti. एक बार अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. हाँ, you're done.
हाँ जी, मैंने unmute किया.
हाँ जी.
Namaste to everyone. I'm Baijanti Bose from Kolkata. I'm also a certified Arifin Khan life coach, and that is where I met.
Yes. We are fortunate
Shruti.
to have met you, Viju.
And yeah. So it was a privilege and an honor to be invited. Well, my journey has been that of a teacher. I retired just this May from Ashok Hall Group of Schools. I've been teaching history there. My happiness came from teaching my students. It was a journey of joy, uncovering the beauty of history. Usually students are petrified of history. They feel हमको memorize करना है. ऐसे नहीं memorize नहीं करना है.
I'm just interrupting you because इतना time नहीं. I want you to tell us what the secret behind your smile. Why are you always laughing and smiling all the time? What is the secret? How do you do it? ये बता दो बस.
हाँ, मेरे लिए भी contribution and gratitude. I think these are my two secrets. I am a very passionate Rotarian. Okay. So I've been associated with Rotary for the last 5 years, and we do a lot of projects at the grassroots. And seeing the smiles of the children that we go, and the women we go for adult literacy projects, and the girls we go for, the happy school projects. Unke smile is kind of reflected in my face. That is one thing. And the second thing is, for me, I believe stagnation is death. So learning is a continual process. And
absolutely.
Thank you, Vaijanti.
So our points are that let's be lifelong learners and
Yes.
let's contribute. So can we come quickly to Veenu? And Veenu, can you unmute yourself? Sapna, can you unmute her?
Yeah, I'll do so.
Such smiling faces, and everybody is here such giving us something in depth of their life, and wonderful to hear from Shruti. Always it's always motivating to hear from her. She's an inspiration for me in my life. I know her since last 20 years now. Basically, for me, I think making a decision to be happy is the happiest thing to do in life. I think when you make up your mind to be happy, there is nothing stopping you. And what has always supported me to make that decision is my chanting, because I'm in this organization, which is we chant every morning and evening, and it is basically also to believe in the dignity of everybody's life, believe in the higher self, believe that everyone is a part of God within them. So for me to be happy is always when I'm connected to my higher self. And that higher self is the part of God within me. And if there is nothing to make me feel unhappy at any moment, though I've been through a lot of, one can say, very devastating situations in my life, but at the same moment, the support of my friends and my family, I think, is the biggest asset in my life. I think when you have good friends around, and when you have, that is the biggest asset, to have good friends, and of course, which you can choose from. And the organization that I have is always.
Our points are that we must look after our relationships because they are bigger treasures than even the treasure of the material world. So friends and family support is important. Connecting to your higher self is important. Contributing to anybody and everybody around you is very important to stay happy yourself.
Shruti, we have 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes, yeah?
मुझे लगा 5 minutes है. Cut short करी थी. Okay, we can come back to some more people. I think on this TV. Yes, hi, somebody is here. Yes, you want to share? Please unmute her.
Unmute you, who?
I think Anil Sood आ रहा है नाम.
वो सीमा जी हैं. सीमा,
बोलना चाहती हूँ, बताइए.
हाँ. सजना, अनम्यूट कर दो उनको.
सीमा जी प्लीज अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को.
अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ, हो गया. हाँ.
अरे फिर बंद हो गया.
म्यूट हो गया सीमा जी आपका. सीमा जी
बस हो चुका. हाँ.
हाँ, मैं सीमा सूद हूँ, and I will be 80 years old next
Wow.
month. Okay.
Be a trap for
And
that.
I'm a yoga acharya. I've been doing yoga for last 50 years, and I'm doing meditation for last 27 years, and I'm leading a group of meditation. So in that meditation, we learned to be in the present and don't think of the future, don't think of the past, which is already gone. And so we are in the present, and that really makes me very happy. And I'm quite active. I'm still doing yoga and a lot of activities, and I'm very passionate about gardening. We lived in Calcutta for 15 years, and there also I was very much interested in gardening, and that improves my creativity, because I paint, and I'm very fond of gardening and all that. So these are the some of the things which keeps me going, and I look forward to meetings, because I give talks at a lot of places. Tomorrow I'll be giving a talk here
Yeah,
also.
so I was just about to say, Seema ji has very graciously consented to give a talk to Devditis, कल हम लोगों का session है आपके साथ सीमा जी, and we look forward to welcoming you.
Seema ji, you're
Okay,
so
okay, nice.
inspiring, and I love your points about the power of now, that we must all live in the now if we want to be happy. And of course, yoga and meditation are the keys to living a happy and perfect life. And I bow down to you, because I hope at 80 I'll be painting and connecting the way you are. It would be so wonderful if I can do that. I really bow down to you. So thank you so much. So do we have Tina on the?
Yeah, I am here.
Oh, hi, Tina. So I've known Tina and I've seen her transforming. And I've been talking of weight. And Tina is a person who has really it's been a metamorphosis kind of thing. She has become younger and younger over the last 10 years. She's looking so gorgeous all the time. So Tina, I really want you, and she's also an NLP trainer. So I want you to give us some points on how to, actually achieve our goals in what are the things you do, how do you manage all these things in your life? And she does million other things. I'm just talking about her looks, but she does a million other things. I think she can share with us what all she's into.
Sure. Shrutiji, it's an honor to be part of this discussion today. So my journey of transformation started when I was facing my health problem related to my fibroids and all. I had put on a lot of weight, and once I got operated, I underwent hysterectomy and got rid of my fibroids. Then there was no looking back. So first, whoever wants to shed their weight, extra weight, first get the medical checkup done. Maybe something is wrong with your body parameters, which you need to be, addressed to. So first, once you address that problem, you undergo your medical treatment, then you can focus on losing your weight. If you have no problem, you're perfectly fine, then you can start it straight away. So my journey started after that, and there was no looking back. Yes, a lot of inspiration is required. So I had my own people whom I used to look forward to, that okay, I want to be like that, and I want to wear this dress or that dress, and I want to look good, I must fit in this particular dress. So all those things used to inspire me, that I have to lose, if I want to be in that dress, I must lose a lot of weight. So it started with that.
You. One of my goals is to raid your wardrobe.
Okay.
Anyway, continue.
Sure, anytime. And then slowly, of course, people started telling me that you're looking good, you've shed so much of weight, you look good, why don't you participate in Mrs. India or go there? I said, if you all are complimenting me, that's the biggest award for me, So I've won my Mrs. India, because you all look at me, and you tell me that I'm an inspiration for so many of you, and I'm motivating you. So that is how I continue my journey. But strong willpower is required to do anything like this, So looking after your health is very important, because if you're healthy, you're happy always. And
you were sharing something about how we women, we tend to feel low self-esteem if we are feeling कि हम मोटे हैं, हम अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, हम सुंदर नहीं लग रहे. So how do we handle that?
Yeah, sometimes that body shaming comes to other people who tell you that you need to lose your weight and all. But then it depends on a particular person whether he or she feels bad about it, that my body is not looking good. If you're comfortable within your own body, you feel good, it's always fine, to be a little obese, or if you're feeling good and you're not health wise facing any problem as such, then it is always good to continue that way. But then whoever is around me, whoever I have met, they all want to be fit in their own lives, you know. So to be fit, to be able to walk or to be able to run a little is always good. So it's always good to be, you know, to shed little kgs which will make you comfortable in your own clothes, in your own style. So to achieve that, I feel people should just have some strong willpower to, you know, continue any journey like that.
So
So
that's amazing. That's amazing.
Tina.
Yeah, Tina.
So
Because
her
I was trying to read your name, Meg's phone, it said, you know, so I was just wondering.
That
Thank
is
you,
my
Tina.
pet name,
Tina's
Maggie.
main point is that we should be very comfortable with who we are and how we are.
Yeah.
And we should not get let down कि अभी मोटे हैं तो अच्छे नहीं लग रहे. मोटे भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं भाई. पतले होके और अच्छे लगेंगे.
Definitely.
Should be that.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So I had prepared a PPT actually. So can I just quickly just run through it? Like they're just pictures. And with some small messages, I hope they will inspire.
Shruti, what we can do is maybe you can share the PPT and we will send it across to everybody, whoever is in the session.
फोटो में अपना अभी लगा देती हूँ, देख लो.
अभी आपने अच्छा.
And I want to conclude it with one message on the PPT also for myself. And then if anyone wants to talk more, we can talk more for a minute or two. Can you share the screen?
Screen already shared है. We can see your screen. आप चलिए आगे.
ये अच्छा आपको दिख रहा है ये transformation?
हाँ, first हाँ बिल्कुल दिख रहा है. हाँ.
So this is again change your story. Look at your problems carefully and change them. Next. Just keep going. Yeah. So this is about emerging, you know, come out of your shell. Just bring yourself out of where you are right now and look out and see what the world is doing. Next. Yeah, so the road may be long, but you know, your attitude will make all the difference, which I've already talked about, how to make your goals. Then, yeah, wash away your blues. Yeah, this is what ma'am has taught us, that live in the now, forget the past. Jo gaya, wo gaya. Yes, and this is my favorite, that you can bloom anywhere. It doesn't matter. Like the lotus can bloom in the mud, you can bloom anywhere. You just have to make up your mind to bloom. And of course, I have a colors thing, which I'm very fond of because of my penchant for art and painting. We should have a lot of color in our life, I believe. Make your life colorful. Okay, now this is about stepping out and risking it. We always don't want to come out of our comfort zone. मैं यहाँ ठीक हूँ, मैं ऐसे ही ठीक हूँ, मैं नहीं वीडियो बनाऊंगी, लोग क्या कहेंगे मेरी शक्ल देख के कि बूढ़ी को क्या लाल लगाम चढ़ गई या
wonderful wonderful.
तो नहीं करना हमें रिस्क लेना है अगर कोई चेंज चाहिए लाइफ में. Then this is the final, of course, this is visualization again. What I was wanting to share is that whatever kind of prayers we are doing, we use visualization during that time. And we do, you know, manifest our world accordingly. And this, of course, is a Chinese proverb, but I had come across it because of Jack Canfield, who is also a motivational speaker. And he says, this is really beautiful. He says, if you want happiness for 1 hour, सो जाओ, take a nap. बहुत खुश हो जाओगे. If you want happiness for 1 day, go fishing. That's their style. हम लोग we go shopping. If you want happiness for 1 year, then you need to inherit a fortune. But if you want happiness for a lifetime, help someone else. Isn't that beautiful?
Outstanding.
So
Outstanding.
help somebody in your life, you're bound to have a very, very happy life.
Yeah.
So I really love this quotation, so I thought I must share it. That's why I got the PPT on for you. So how much more time do we have?
Can you stop screen share and come back? Screen share बंद कर दो, Shruti. We can't see you. We can see only the screen share. हाँ, stop share कर दीजिए.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. So what we can quickly do is, Srachna, can you help? Chat पे कोई questions हैं? वो पढ़ देते हैं Shruti के लिए.
I also have prepared a feedback form. I have also got a gift for all of you today, actually. Everybody who's on here, I've got a feedback. If you can fill it up, I'll just share it. I will send you all a free gift of my book, a digital copy for all of you to read, whoever is here online, so that you really enjoy it. I want you all to enjoy it and also give me a feedback on the book later. So I'll just share it with you. In the meantime, you know, Sapna, you were saying something?
No, I was saying we wind up on time, Shruti. So we will wind up in 2 minutes. and you can send the link and we will share it on all our platforms, है ना? बुक के लिए जो आप चाह रहे हो ना, तो या आप चैट पे डाल सकते हो तो डाल दो क्विकली.
डाल देती हूँ.
डाल दीजिए.
डालो ना.
And what I can read from various people are very inspiring session. Lovely the way Shruti has conducted it. Shruti has added value. So everybody is really praising the session, Shruti.
Thank you so much.
So
can I just share it to you, Sapna? Then you can put it on the chat. I'm not being able to do that.
Okay, आप भेज दो. अगर अभी नहीं डाल पाए हम सबको भेज देंगे. आप भेज दो. सजना को भेज दो. सजना को.
सजना को भेज.
हाँ, सजना को भेज दो. WhatsApp कर दीजिए आप. Vandadi, are you there?
आपने connect नहीं किया था क्या?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so I think we can start the process. Questions अगर एक हैं, we can only take one question.
Yeah, we can address if there is any question.
हाँ, only one question we can take.
सपना दी एक्चुअली क्वेश्चंस ना वो साथ साथ ही आ रहे थे.
आंसर हो चुके हैं, है ना? हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है.
Anybody wants to share what they felt about, they can come online and share.
What we'll do is, Shruti, we can give them your number so they can be in touch with you if they wish. Yeah. Sarjana, can you please speak?
Can you put the feedback form on the chat, please?
और डाल देते हैं पर उसका कोई मीनिंग बैठेगा नहीं क्योंकि वो anyway. सजना आप डाल दीजिए फीडबैक फॉर्म.
लाइव लोग है ना, मैं उन्हीं को भेजना चाहती हूँ जो भी अटेंड कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है.
वो तो आपको यहीं चैट पे डालना पड़ेगा ना फीडबैक फॉर्म. हाँ, यहीं डाल दीजिए.
आप डाल दो चैट पे प्लीज, if you can do it. I've sent it to you just now.
Sarjana? Okay. So what I request everybody to do is just Sarjana feedback form डालेगी, आप उसको copy paste कर लीजिए and आप उसको feedback form को भर के और श्रुति को दे दीजिएगा. And
my mail, you just have to send it.
Yeah, but they have to send it, na? So for that they have to copy paste it, right? Yeah.
Please share her number, contact number.
Sarjana, can you please, Shruti, आप अपना number बोल दीजिए, लोग लिख लेंगे.
9871376243.
I hope everybody's got her number.
9871376243.
Yeah, so everybody's got her number. And Vandadi, I think...
my mail is also pretty simple. coachshruti@gmail.com.
आप लिख दो सजना, एक बार लिख दो जो ये बोल रही हैं, एक बार डाल दो. हाँ, chat box में.
Write her own email ID on the chat box. It will be easier.
श्रुति कह रही है उनसे हो नहीं पा रहा है इसलिए.
This is the first time I'm doing it, guys.
No worries.
No worries.
But you've done a great job. You've done a great job, Shruti. You've done a great job. Very effortlessly it has flown. Very effortlessly the whole thing has gone. And kudos to you. बगैर किसी की सुने बगैर you kept on and ये दिल्ली वाली नानी बन के दिखाऊंगी. Vandadi, can you start?
So, yeah, thank you.
Wali Nani, and I love you all.
Shruti, it was a lovely session. I loved seeing your smiley face the entire session, though my video was off because some network problem. But really enjoyed seeing your nice, bright, smiley face and an effortless transformation thrust. Yes, we must, by doing a small little bit here and there. So I thank you from Devditi Foundation side, especially Sapna who got you in. So I'm the co-founder Vandana, and I welcome and thank you all again, once again, and I welcome Seema ji tomorrow. I'm there to see you tomorrow. Seema ji is going to take a session, very related session to this, how to lift up your mood. जैसे हम अपना में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं, कल हम अपना लिफ्ट कैसे रॉ जूसेस से अपलिफ्ट कर सकते हैं अपना मूड to be happy and smiley. So we'll welcome Seema ji tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So once again, thank you so much. Thanks everybody to be here. Thank you from Devditi Foundation.
श्रुति कुछ कहना है आपको? लास्ट में कुछ कह रहे हो श्रुति? हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए.
सोचो वो दुनिया जिसमें देवती की वजह से प्यार ही प्यार बट रहा है और खुशियां ही खुशियां आ रही हैं और हर औरत खुश है. Agar every woman in the world is happy, what a wonderful world it will become.
I know, Shruti.
Let's all help each other do that.
That's such a beautiful thought you're leaving us with, Shruti. And we really respect and value the value that you have added to all our lives. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shruti.
Thank you.
Love you all.